Alright, so what happened was somebody hit my car and scratched it up pretty bad. And it's happened to me before, but the difference is I knew who did it, and I got the person to pay for the damage, and it was like over $1,000. Now this time that it happened, I didn't know who did it, and the damage was even worse than it was before. So if I would have brought it to somebody to fix it, it would have cost me over 1,000 easy. So what happened was I found out about this product. I was just like reading articles online, and it happened to send me this product, and it's this right here. Um, and I was just so amazed by how well it worked that I wanted to make a video about it. I'm not sure if I'm saying the product name correctly, but it's like Meguiars, um, and it's a scratch eraser kit. It's for fine scratches, a blemish remover, and you have to have a drill. Luckily I do have a drill, so this is the drill that I got. Um, so it comes with this blue pad right here, and then it comes with a couple of microfiber towels like this, or just one of them actually, and then it comes with this right here, which is what you apply to it. So you basically put this thing onto your drill, and then you put like an X of this remover, and then you just go ahead and you put it onto the scratch, and then you start drilling it, or turn on the drill and start moving it. Don't just keep it in one spot. So basically the person that hit me left like these black paint marks on my car, and I couldn't wipe it off. Maybe just a little of it came off, but the rest just would not come off. And then, like, amazingly, this thing like worked. It says it's for light scratches, fingernail marks, scuff, and paint transfer. And that's basically what happened. There's like a paint transfer in my car, and it just looked horrible. And I didn't want to spend money to bring it in to fix it, because I don't want to spend like over $1,000 just to get some paint off my car. But I'm just so happy that it worked, and basically I just highly recommend this product. It's just really high quality, and it only cost me like under $20. I'll put the link in the description section of this video. You can check it out. It turned a very stressful situation into something that's not so stressful. I'm just very thankful that this works, and I got it to work, and that I was able to fix it. And I'll do a little demo. I don't have anybody helping me with the camera, but I'll just show what I can of what the product can do. Okay. All right. So first, you gotta put some of this solution on here in an X. So I put some on here, right there. Okay. So as you can see, I used it over here. There was like a huge paint transfer mark right here, and I used it on there. You can still see the wax coat, or whatever they use, whatever it is, that it's still on there, and it removed it completely. But you see, like right here, the paint transfer right there, all the way across right there, and I got even more right there. So this right here, I gotta use two hands to do this, so I can't really do this effectively while holding the camera. But what I could try to do is maybe put it up against the tree, so you can see me working it, and then how it'll disappear. All right, here we go. Alright, so you can see it made it disappear right there. I still got a little more, I still got more right there, not a little. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it over there. I gotta put more solution on there. Alright. So you see right there, it's all gone now right there. I still got this one left. Alright, so as you can see, it's gone now. It's gone all the way over there. There's still some of that solution left. You see what it did to my wheel. This, you know, this person hit my car and just really ruined it really bad. So now I just gotta wipe that off. Alright, the directions say to pretty much just put this to get the rust off. Just go ahead and dry it with the damn towel. And go over it. Okay, and then now it says just to wipe it with the microfiber towel. Alright, so now it's done. Now look at, it's all gone. I'm just really happy with this product. It's an amazing product. I highly recommend it. Just really happy with everything. This is how the thing looks. This is the box right here. Right there. Alright. Take care, everybody.